Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import live stock prices into Google Sheets. Um, let's go with the basic formula. So to get current price of stock, uh, you can click into any cell and type in something like that. Just to show you here. So it's equal Google Lefin Finance, and then we have here ticker and then the price. All right, so I made here some small window here to put some example into it. Now let's say we want Apple stock. So click on it and then copy this code here. Google Finance AAPL. This is Apple stock and then price. It will load up here. You can see now basically the price of uh, Apple stock, something like that. I can move, I will type in here Apple. Now also what we can, Tesla for example, is this one here, like that. And Tesla. And just like that, we have basically created ourselves live stock prices for stocks. So if we check AAPL, how much is worth? 280. And this one here is also 280 and 25 cents. And as you can see, it's basically, it works really precise. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can do that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.